Water is a transparent fluid with no smell and no taste. It covers the 70% of the Earth's surface.
It is very important for life. We use water to drink, to cook, to wash our hands and our body, to water plants.
We can find water in many places, for example, oceans and seas, rivers, lakes, ponds.
There is also water in rain, snow, rainbow and clouds.
Water is made up of tiny molecules. We can find water in 3 different states: solid, liquid and gas. When it's cold, freezing cold, molecules put themselves near the other molecules. They are very close to each other. This is the solid state. A solid has a definite shape and takes up a definite amount of space. Molecules are strongly connected. They can't move. A liquid takes the shape of its container. It takes up a definite amount of space. Molecules are weakly connected. They can flow. When it's warm or hot, molecules move away from other molecules. This is the gas state. A gas doesn't take a definite amount of space. It hasn't a definite shape. It fills all the space around. Molecules are not connected and they can move freely.
The name of the solid water is ice. The name of the liquid water is water. The name of the gas water is water vapor. Water can change from a state to another state.
Water melts when it changes from the edge to the liquid state by heat energy. From solid to liquid melting. Water evaporates when it changes from the liquid state to the water vapor. It happens at the temperature of 100 Celsius degrees. From water to water vapor evaporation.
Water condenses when it's changed from the water vapor to the liquid state.
From water vapor to water condensation.
Water freezes when it changes from the liquid state to the ice. It happens at the temperature of 0 Celsius degrees.
From water to ice, freezing.
Water is never created or destroyed. It always journeys through the water cycle, being recycled each time.
What is the water cycle?
The sun shines on water and makes the water warmer. This turns the water into vapor. The water vapor leaves lakes, oceans or rivers and goes into the air. This process is called evaporation.
When the sun turns water from plants and trees into water vapor, the process is called transpiration.
In the air, water vapor cools down and becomes a cloud. This process is called condensation. The water changes from the gas to the liquid state.
when a cloud becomes too heavy. The water falls to the ground as a precipitation. Precipitation can take the form of rain, sleet, hail, or snow. When precipitation lands on the ground, it runs off and reaches streams, rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. The water cycle can start again.
The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth.
The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all